I don't know if mine's gonna fit.
All right, thank you.
I thought that would be the tall ones, but it's
Yeah, that would have been cool. Yeah, now I look like a soda jerk.
I think they'll have to give me another one. I just tore up my hat. I should have brought some bobby pins with me, right?
Yeah, it's a look. Looking all Jackie O.
Yeah.
Got the kill box there.
I know. Now I need to have my little purse hanging on my arm right here.
Chef Jomer from Philippines. I'm the
Jomer.
head sushi chef here in Izumi. So are you guys excited to make your own sushi?
Yeah!
So we will have 4 different kind of sushi today. The first one is our crispy shrimp roll. Second, it will be our traditional spicy tuna roll. The third one, it will be our shrimp nigiri. And lastly, we will be making our California egg roll. Without further ado, let's start to make your own sushi. So I want you to open up your bamboo mat, please. We will be using the side of the bamboo, which has the flat one side.
I'm making sushi, dude.
So for our first ingredient to make our first sushi roll, we have here our seaweed nori. So you can grab one. So this seaweed nori have 2 sides, rough side, and the other side is the shiny or the smooth side part. We will be using the side of the nori, which has the rough side part of it. Let's make a measurement. A bowl of rice. Okay, make a bowl of rice and it will be almost the size. Distribute the rice onto the middle first. Make a line. Distribute it. Flip it over. For the ingredient that we will be adding, here, this side, right here, you need to tuck it in. Will add our sliced cucumber tuna. So this is spicy tuna. It's made by a ground. Okay, got it? Yeah. Grab one piece of your shrimp.
Side. There you go.
Oh shoot, that was easy.
Then you put a little bit of rice just to make it as a crispy.
Okay.
Always start. Again, onto the middle. Slit it once back, one stroke down. Right there. We need to achieve 8 slices. Yeah? Let's start to plate. Again, onto the middle. There you go. And this hand roll, we're gonna go onto the shredded carrots. Will be onto this side. Okay? Are you guys hungry?
Yes.
Yes? This one, I'm gonna put onto the middle for the garnish. Sushi sauce onto the shrimp. So, thank you very much for coming today, class. Thank you so much and arigato.
just ate sushi at Izumi.
Yes.
After making sushi at Izumi. I'm excited.
Is it?